Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's online class. I am Sakshi Gupta and I am here to teach you science. Today's topic is plants and types of plants. Plants. As wherever we go, we can see different types of plants and trees which are of different shapes and sizes. So how these plants actually look? Green, leafy, some of them having fruits, some of them having flowers. So now we will classify these plants on the basis of their size and shape. Mostly these are classified into 5 categories and these are herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, crawlers. Again, herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, crawlers. Herbs. Herbs are very small and these are smaller than shrubs. These are so weak, their things are so weak and thin. Here I wrote the example of herbs, that is tomato, carrot, spinach and mint.
Herbs are very small plants. These are smaller than shrubs. Herbs cannot be longer than 1 meter in height. So here you can see that here stems and leaves both are green, mostly green, and these are leafy. These are not heighted than 1 meter. These are so small. And stems, here these are the stems. These are so thin and weak. These are example of herbs. This is mint.
Now the second is shrubs. Shrubs are medium-sized plants but smaller than trees. Here I wrote the example of shrubs. Jasmine, lemon. These are the example of shrubs. Shrubs' stems are weak and thin but trunks are tight.
As I told you, shrubs are medium-sized plants. As you can see, these are longer than herbs but smaller than trees. These are not so heighted but longer than herbs. As you can see, shrubs are medium-sized plants and are smaller than trees. Shrubs have small, thin and woody branches that grows close to the ground. As you can see, the stem or branch of this tree is strong and woody, but the stem is thin and weak. Like jasmine and lemon, this is another example of shrubs.
And the third one is trees. Trees, the longest, tallest and strongest plant is tree. These have strong stems, branches and trunks. These have leaves, fruits and stronger stems. These trunks are so tight and branches are also tight. Here I wrote the example of trees. Banyan, apple, mango and many more trees are example of these trees.
As I told you in class, big, tall and strong plants are called trees. Trees are largest and oldest living thing living on earth. They have roots, branches, trunk, leaves and hard woody stem for trunk, such as apple tree and banyan tree. As you can see, the trunk of this tree is so hard and woody. I am not able to pull this tree towards me. And this is the branch of this tree. This is also hard and tight. Here we have another example of tree. That is, this tree is so long, tall and strong.
And the fourth one is creepers. Creepers are the plants that grows on the ground by extending its stems on the ground. Here I wrote the example of creepers. Pumpkins, watermelons. These are the examples of creepers. These stems grows on the ground by extending its stem.
As I told you in class, creepers are the plants that grow along the ground by extending its branches. They have thin, long and weak stem which cannot stand upright and spreads on the ground. As you can see, these stems are spreading over the ground. These cannot stand upright. These can only spread on the earth. Their stems are so weak very easily. See these. These are the examples of creepers. This is pumpkin, example of creepers.
And the last is crawlers. Crawlers are the plants with thin and weak stems. These cannot stand upright. They needed a support up to which they can climb. Here I wrote the example of crawlers, that is bitter gourd, grapevine and etc. These plants actually need a support by which they can climb like this.
As I told you in class, crawlers are plants with thin and weak stem. They cannot stand upright and rapidly climb up a neighboring support and like a fence, wall or other plants. Like here you can see these stems are spreading through a support like this thing. Here you can see this stem is spreading through this wall. Like bitter gourd and grapevine, this is another example of crawlers.
Thank you students. I hope you all enjoy